Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video you will learn how to create sales funnel infographics chart in Microsoft Excel. As you are seeing my screen, I have created this sales funnel chart to show the different stages like view 1000, and if you change it to 900 the chart will be changed automatically. This is totally dynamic chart. And similarly add to cart is 400. If you put here 350, then here you can see it is getting changed. You can use this chart in your sales dashboard to show the sales funnel. Now I will show you how we can create this in Microsoft Excel. So let's start without delay. Just copy this data, add a new sheet and paste that data here. Go to the view and remove the grid lines from here. Now we will add two support columns here. The first one is the left and another one is the right. For the left we will use a formula equal to and start bracket, select V2 and press F4 to freeze this, minus again V2, close the bracket, divide by 2. Okay, for the right we will use the same formula, so we can use equal to left. Now we will fill this formula down. Alright, so here we have some values. Now select this data, go to the insert and let us insert a 2D bar chart. So we will select this chart, stack bar. Okay, now first of all we will remove the grid lines and legend from here. We will remove this horizontal axis also. You can see the vertical axis is in reverse order. So what I can do, right click, go to the format axis, scroll it down and click on category in reverse order. Okay, so now view is first, then add to cart, checkout, payment and order confirm. Now right click, go to the select data. First we will take the left, then count, then right. So select this left and click on this up arrow, click on OK. Now right click, go to the format data series. The gap width let's take around 2 or 3% and just close this. Select this orange area, go to the format, save fill as no fill. Similarly for this right area, this green one, take the save fill as no fill. Now our funnel will look like this. Now we will go to the insert and we will insert a shape. Go to the shapes and select this shape which is trapezoid. Just click here, make it smaller like this, pick this yellow handle, go to the shape format, rotate and let's click on flip vertical. Go to the shape fill and take this dark red color and shape outline as no outline. Copy this shape and select the first bar for view, double click there, paste that. Alright, now select the shape again, go to the shape format. This time we will fill this color, copy and select the second bar and paste that. Similarly we will change the color again. This time we will take this orange color, copy and paste on the third one. Change the color this time for the shape as this light green, copy and paste here. And now select again and we will take dark green color, this one, copy and paste for order confirmed. Alright, now select all the shapes, right click and add data labels here. We can see the data labels. Change the font color as white, this one, make this bold. Okay, now if I change, let's say 1000 here, you can see it is getting changed. Alright, and similarly here you can take the 400. Take this bit. Now we can remove this vertical axis also. So what we can do to show the vertical axis, we can select this left category, right click and add data label. Here we have the data label for the left. Select the data label, right click, go to the format data label and here we can check this category name. Okay, uncheck the value and show ladder lines. Now right click on the data label again, go to the change data label shapes and let's select this shape. Okay, reduce the font size, take around 8. You can select the first one and you can choose the relevant color, let's say this one, and font color white and make this bold. Similarly for the other one, select here this color, white, bold. Alright, so we have created this. Now here you can put title, let's say sales funnel. Okay, so our chart is ready, and if you want to remove the outline from here, we can see a gray outline in the data labels, this one. So just select and go to the format, take the shape outline as no outline. Alright friends, so friends, that is how you can quickly create this sales infographics chart in Microsoft Excel. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.